Here's my 2005 Honda crf450 that I have for about a year already, and for half of that year it was stolen from me in August, and this is the condition it came back in. I'll show you a picture of what it looked like before. And that's what it looks like now. Let's start off with the rims and tires. It has brand new tires, front and rear. They're tubeless. It has black XL rims. It had black XL rims, now it has gold. And my tires were tubed. There's a massive oil leak somewhere. I don't know, I gotta figure that out. Then the plastics are not in the best condition. The seat also. I already had that dent inside the exhaust, but I'm about to get some used plastics or something just to make it look better. I gotta figure out, I gotta do the valves on it. Also, they took out the original radiator cap and put that in there. Also got some levers, some cheap levers. So, and then whoever did this tire, they put it on so whenever you're driving, it smacks the side of the tire. So I gotta adjust that up. All in all, the way it came back stolen, they changed the plastics, changed the seat, changed the rims, just to make it look like a different bike. But somehow the cops ended up finding it. So, and also they polished the frame. I don't like when it's polished, but whoever had it polished the frame. My plans for this bike is to get some decent plastics, change the seat cover, change those blue levers, clean it up, wash it, figure out where the oil's coming from, do the top end on it, gotta adjust the valves because it runs really rough, and then either keep it or sell it.